Hi everyone, I'm Konstantin, and today I want to show you how easy it is to do keyword research using All-in-Writer. First, go to your dashboard and click on SEO. From there, look for keyword research. That's the tool we need. Now let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Keyword. This is where you type in the main keyword you want to research. For this example, I'll use the word coffee. Step 2. Country. Here you select the country you're targeting. The results will show you what people in that country are actually searching for. I'll pick United States. Step 3. Language. Choose the language you want your keywords to appear in. I'll go with English. Step 4. Keyword type. You have two options here, suggestions, which gives you keyword ideas closely related to the one you typed, and related, which gives you keywords that are connected by topic but a bit broader. For this example, I'll choose suggestions. Step 5. Brand voice. This one's optional. It lets you give your content that signature tone your business is known for. Step 6. Author voice. Also optional. This one's fun. It lets you write in a more personal style. Almost like you're writing as a specific person or personality. I won't use brand voice or author voice today, but keep in mind, they're great tools if you want more consistency in your tone across articles. Now, once you hit search, here's what All-in-Writer gives you right away. Name, the exact keyword phrase. Competition, the percentage of websites targeting that same keyword. Competition level, a simple low, medium, or high rating, so you know how hard it'll be to rank. CPC, the cost per click, useful if you're running ads. Search volume, how many people search for this term every month on average. Article Plus, and my favorite part, with one click you can generate a full SEO-optimized article, ready to go. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you get real data that helps you decide which keywords are actually worth targeting, instead of just guessing. So next time you're planning content, don't skip this step. Let All-in-Writer do the heavy lifting and focus your energy on writing content that actually ranks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.